Scientific notation is a really easy way of writing really big or really small numbers. Scientific notation allows us to understand how accurate other scientists' measurements are. The human body has so many examples of where scientific notation is helpful. How many cells do we have?
Our body has many amazing parts to it. This includes our cells. Our body has at least 15 trillion cells. 15 trillion is a very big number which is being used for very small objects. This is where scientific notation comes in. Scientific notation can be used for large or small objects. For example, we have 15 trillion cells in our body. Since this is such a large number and difficult to write, we use scientific notation. We have 15 trillion cells, so we put a decimal point after the first whole number, then count how many times the decimal place can move after that. This would be 13 times. We would now write this as 1.5 times 10 to the power of 13. Maths makes everything possible.
Our hearts are truly special. The magnificent human heart pumps 217 billion and a lot more milliliters of blood in a lifetime. Pretty amazing, right? Did you know that another way to write this is 2.17 times 10 to the power of 11? This is scientific notation. Imagine having to write that big number the whole time. Scientific notation makes writing very big or very small numbers extremely easy. We use the same method every time. This number isn't exact though. We first choose the first three significant figures. For example, in this number, we would use 217. These are the first three numbers, so that the total is 2.17 times 10 to the power of 11. If we expand this number, the total is 2.17 and 10 zeros after it, which is the closest to the actual number. That's why we do it this way. Maths makes everything possible.
It is very similar with really small numbers, like 0.0000000000037. We write the number 3.7, then again times 10. So 3.7 times 10. Then we count how many digits after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we put 12 as a to the power of number, but put minus before it. So it's 3.7 times 10 to the power of minus 12. All done. So this is how maths makes everything possible.